many Americans, the last Monday in May marks the unofficial start of summer, a long weekend with a family barbecue or gathering of friends. For those who served in the military, Memorial Day holds a greater significance, as it commemorates the brave men and women who lost their lives defending our great nation. At the core of our military lie unique themes: the selfless desire to serve and the willingness to sacrifice to defend our country. The origin of Memorial Day, first observed over 155 years ago today, and then known as Decoration Day, was to beautify the graves in memory of those who fought and died to preserve our Union during the Civil War. The holiday's name obviously changed over the years, but its ideals have not. But today, all Americans should take a moment to honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to our country. Memorial Day is a day for both grief and celebration, reflecting on the tragic loss of life and recounting the courageousness of their service. As President Harry Truman stated in his address to the armed forces after the death of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, our debt to the heroic men and valiant women in the service of our country can never be repaid. They have earned our undying gratitude. America will never forget their sacrifices. Because of these sacrifices, the dawn of justice and freedom throughout the world slowly casts its gleam across their horizon. The respect and admiration we give our fallen pay tribute to their memory and the lives they lived. We do so by visiting their grave sites, placing flags, wreaths, or other mementos at memorials in our community. But the final resting place should not be the only space we gather to share memories or sit in quiet contemplation. To truly honor their lives, we must share their stories with others and ensure their memories live on even though they are gone.
Jim Cohen again. Then I'll play the grand old flag.
It's up to us to use the gifts secured by those who made the ultimate sacrifice. Let's carry their sacrifice with us in our hearts and strive to honor their memory by being good and faithful, hopeful and strong, and committed to building a brighter future together. Major General Logan, the leader of the Union Veterans Organization and Congressman, made the case to our country that set the precedence for this holiday once said, "Let no vandalism of avarice or neglect, no ravages of time, testify to the present or to the coming generations that we have forgotten as a people the cost of a free and undivided republic. Duty, honor, country, they lived for it and they died for it. As a nation, we must remind ourselves of the future they fought for and do our best to live up to those values in the days ahead." Thank you.